as manager. That's going to load this out. So yeah, my name is Sion Marshall-Waters. We'll need to get that down. I'm a documentary filmmaker and photographer from Abergavenny. And it's my first time up here in this kind of part of the world, really. And it's quite interesting, lots of similarities, lots of differences. Main difference, obviously, language. But it's, Abergavenny is still Wales. There's lots of sheep and lots of hills. So there's some connection there. I'm just going to talk very briefly about some context to my practice. I trained originally as an undergraduate in politics and eventually moved on to anthropology and using film in anthropology. I did an MA in Visual Anthropology, which is really the study of using film, photography, sound, and other sensory practices to kind of explore and evoke culture, experience, and society more broadly. Kind of as Miranda just touched on, kind of exploring the local was really important for me after kind of doing this course. I kind of felt that rather than go somewhere quite far away that I have very limited knowledge of, I think exploring my own immediate local culture would be a good starting point. I'll talk about these very briefly, some of my influences in my current work, which is an Arts Council research and development project about people living in Black Mountains. The title of the project is called Thieves Again, Sketches from the Black Mountains. I'll contextualise the thieves again shortly. But two of my inspirations for this project, and I'll very flippantly talk about these, I can go into much more detail, but I think these texts are quite important. Raymond Williams is a writer from Pandy, which is just outside of Abergavenny. I'm sure many people know about his work here, and are probably more qualified to talk about him than me. But his work, The Country and the City, was of interest, largely because I was quite interested in the way he tries to dispel traditional narratives about the country and agriculture and the city, with the country being this kind of Garden of Eden that kind of presents this a bit of pastoral way of life, and the kind of city being this kind of big industrial kind of machine, which is much darker. And I was interested in this text because I think generally in society more broadly, there are commonalities between the two here, and that I think globalization or capitalism kind of moves in a way that kind of means that certain voices and communities in society are kind of lost. And I wanted to explore these in the context of where I was from. And then very briefly I'll talk about the style of filmmaking I'm interested in, which is generally non-narrative, which kind of tries to explore and kind of evoke a sense of human lived experiences rather than kind of tell stories as such. And as such, it's kind of confirmed with the everyday kind of, and there's a nice quote about phenomenology, which kind of is quite similar to non-narrative filmmaking in that it's concerned with human experiences. It says it addresses the meaning things have in our experience, notably the significance of objects, tools, events, the flow of time, the self and others, as these things arise in our experience in our everyday life and world. So, in a sense, I'm kind of interested in the mundane and kind of how everyday things and sometimes our boring things kind of shape our experience. So I've been kind of working on this project for a while, and for about a year, where I started out kind of using photography as a way of kind of getting to know people who were kind of outside of my usual social sphere. I started attending a church called Patricia, which is about kind of a mile outside of Abergavenny. And I think kind of I've been going there for about a year now, once every 2 weeks. And this was a good access point for me into the farming community more broadly. And it was also an interesting point in which kind of community has kind of changed over the past few years. A lot of this church has quite a big congregation of about 10, which is actually, for the area quite large, whereas some of the other chapels I've been to have congregations of 2. Through going to this church, I met this man called Lawrence, who plays the organ at a chapel nearby. And he's a farmer. He kind of has a small holding with rather a few fields. And I think for me, like I've kind of growing up in the area, I always, as not a farmer, I always kind of would walk past people like Lawrence and never had dialogue with them. And I kind of imagined what they were like, but again, never kind of really interacted with them. So for me, this project was really important about kind of bridging a dialogue between different social spheres. Lawrence is with his brother Denver, it's kind of just across the chapel from where Lawrence plays the organ. And these 2 brothers have been really kind of quite integral in the project for me, my relationship with them and the conversations we have. But kind of, I'm not really too knowledgeable about farming, so like a lot of the things we have, and a lot of the discussions we have, a lot of the things we talk about in the film works are just kind of about everyday things, and I think that kind of is just as telling of someone's character as their job. This is from Peter, who kind of lives just down the road, and again, like Peter's quite an interesting chap. Like I see him a lot growing up. He kind of always farms on this kind of very small, few small fields at this junction, and I always drive past him. And always intrigued about him, and I think kind of this project was a really good opportunity to kind of get to know different people. And for me, these photographs were a good opportunity to kind of build relationships. I could take these pictures and kind of bring them back and build dialogues in that sense, and talk about how they like to be represented and how kind of I guess a point at which trust can be built between us 2. I'm also interested in kind of, again, the things I left behind in the countryside, and again, kind of looking at the mundane but also the peculiar things that you see rather than just kind of painting a really beautiful, in a traditional sense, image of the country. But I think I don't think those things are always mutually exclusive. I think there is beauty in kind of a broken down vehicle in a field. Also, younger voices come through in the film. Ross is a farmer and a sheepdog trainer who lives in just underneath Wineback, which is the tallest mountain in the Black Mountains, tallest peak in the Black Mountains. And it's interesting to get his perspective on stuff as well as a young farmer. But really, what was great in this project was again kind of really building discussions with people about kind of everyday things or everyday politics. I think I got to know, on a very human level as well, I got to know Ross very well, and we were shocked 7 months later when we started talking Brexit, and we discovered we disagreed with each other, but it was really nice to have that discussion that really kind of formed a strong part of our relationship. Again, another shot of the chapel that I went to, this is a reverend there called Father Richard, who brings these 2 massive poodles with him to each service. And again, it's kind of like, I don't know, I thought it was a bit mad, but it's kind of really quite peculiar but quite beautiful thing about kind of country living. I'm going to show 2 very short film clips. Here's another shoot shot, which I think is important to have now. I think kind of this was what I discovered as well, that even when photographing sheep, like it's better to kind of get close to people who perhaps know a lot more about kind of the ways of life. Before taking a photograph, as like Fion's pictures illustrated quite clearly earlier, kind of having a deep knowledge of intimacy with the animals really kind of creates a stronger imagery. And this was just, this wasn't me walking, we were feeding the sheep that morning, very early on the hillside, and this was on the back of the quad bike, so that kind of brought me closer to the animals. I'll just show a film clip very briefly, and see on the internet. This is of Peter, and this kind of contextualizes the name of the project, Peter, again. which, as I said, I'm very interested in the mundane, and this film is about share that drew my curiosity, and I think it kind of shows that even mundane objects can kind of create character and kind of show kind of the very human side of people. Yeah. So it's kind of a very mundane object that kind of has, I think, a great little story to it, and kind of I quite liked using that title as kind of something that's quite ambiguous, and thieves is not something you immediately think about when you think of the countryside, but also kind of creating a bit of humour. I'll show you a very short clip as well. So actually, perhaps talk about the film works a bit more broadly, very quickly. As part of this R&D phase, I created about 30 photography images that kind of help form part of the process, and about 8 vignettes of people and character that kind of give you a sense of just who they are and sort of their life worlds, I suppose. So they kind of all work as one piece, and can be viewed kind of just kind of one after the other. This one is of Denver, who you saw photographed in his kitchen earlier. Can I turn the sound up just a little bit? I know it's a bit lovely. How do I do that? Oh, here. See what that sounds like. This is Denver.
zijn er allerlei journalisten. Hij toont I don't know what Yahoo. You Yahoo now? I doesn't know how the Yahoo money is because it's nobody wrong, I should think. I just don't even bother to
strength start to evaporate. So I think it's tepid, but still, relative to most forecasters, the UK has still been holding up reasonably well.
Chosen by Conservative Party members who constitute a tiny part of the world. It's influence Brexit, and it will continue to be so. We need to restore the sovereignty that we've lost to the European Union over the last 40 years. And that's why I voted against extending Article 50. I voted to keep no deal on the table. I voted twice against this deal, which has so many fundamental flaws in it. One witness.
So yeah, there are about 8 of these various characters of various people. But farming is obviously a very common thread in the hills. Yeah, thank you.